welcome to my channel. Today is, day 15, December 15th, and we are getting closer and closer to Christmas Day. We are opening Breyer Advent Calendar boxes, finding fun toys. We're also learning why we celebrate Jesus, why it's important to celebrate his coming. It's been fun 2 weeks that we've had together. And before we jump to more of our story about Moses and the Israelites, let's check in on Zoe. Zoe is not here. It looks like Tom and Rachel and Amy are all working on her surprise. You remember we said that we're going to put all of these Breyer toys together for a fun surprise for Zoe? Well, we're going to do that, and they are already getting started on it. So that's fun. I can't wait to show you guys. First, let's you and I jump into our story about Moses and the Israelites. So we learned yesterday that Moses was born as a tiny baby in the nation of Egypt. He was one of the Israelites, one of God's people. The Egyptians did not serve God. They served false gods. They served just a lot of things that were not good. They did a lot of things that were not good. And the Israelites had to live around all of them for many, many years, hundreds of years, very long time. But God was making a plan. He had a plan in motion to rescue his people, to rescue the Israelites out of Egypt. Part of that plan was Moses being born. So when Moses was born, Pharaoh was at one of his most scared moments of all of these Israelites taken over, and he had made an order that baby boys were not allowed in Egypt. And so Moses' sister was scared, his mom was scared, his whole family was scared, and that was why they took him and put him in this tiny basket and sent him afloat down a river to keep him hidden and to keep him safe from Pharaoh. Well, God knew. He knew, just like he knows you, just like he knows me. He knew about Moses floating in that little basket. And so God sent, of all people, Pharaoh's daughter to find him. You can imagine baby Moses's family was pretty scared at that, but Pharaoh's daughter just loved him right away. I think that God put love in her heart for baby Moses, and Moses was raised by King Pharaoh's daughter. He lived in the palace. He lived with the royalty, while all of his people, the Israelites, were still slaves. And that made Moses so very sad. But Moses knew those were his people, and he knew God, and God had a plan. And tomorrow, we're going to learn what that plan was. But right now, you and I are going to open our next Breyer Advent box. Oh, we got another little rider. Now, our last rider was an English rider, and it looks like this time we have a Western rider. That's fun. I love how they just sit right on those horses. That's super fun. Okay, let's go see how Tom and Rachel and Amy are doing on set up. They're still, I think they're planning right now. It looks like they're trying to figure out where everything will go. Zoe doesn't really have any family, and so that's why Tom and Rachel and Amy have agreed to help me with this special Christmas surprise for her. So we will find out next time, maybe a little bit more about the surprise, but I think you're gonna like it. All right, thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow.